Working with text in Inkscape is extremely easy. And all you've got to do is go over here to get this text tool. And as with GIMP, there's two types. You get point text, which you create by simply clicking once, and then I can type anything that I want. And note with point text that you can type as many characters as you want on one line, and the text area is just going to increase to accommodate those, and you can type as many lines as you want. And again, this text box is just going to get bigger and bigger. And so if you have a lot of text and you just want to be able to make sure you get it all in first of all, then that's a good way to do it. Another thing you can do is create box text. So I'm just going to get rid of this. If you take the text tool and instead of just clicking once, you actually click and drag out a box, this gives you a limited space in which your text can go. And that's useful if, for example, you know that there's a certain area on your page that you want the text to fit in. And now if I start typing, you can see that as soon as I went beyond this edge, the text all just disappeared. And once that happens, you've got two options. You can either decrease the size of your text, which will probably be your best option because if you've made a box in the first place, you probably want your text to fit inside it. But you could also, if you keep your text size the same, just then increase the size of the box, and that text is going to fit in there. Along with the actual creation of text, you get all the normal text options, so you can align it in the center, to the right, etc., etc. You can justify it. You have bold and regular, and then you can change the height between the lines, so if I decrease this, your lines will get closer together. You can increase or decrease the spacing between the actual characters, like this. And you can do various other things. So those are the basics of how you use text in Inkscape. And in the next videos, we're going to see some really cool ways of actually formatting your text so that it looks better than just this drab black text.